Fixing TikTok Shop Protect not available. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix TikTok Shop Protect not available. First, go to your TikTok mobile app in your iPhone or Android. Next, refresh the mobile app or web page on which you are using your mobile shop. Sometimes the problem is that the web page is not properly loading. After that, go to your internet connection and check if your internet connection is strong or connected. Sometimes the unstable internet connection or poor connectivity can prevent shop products from loading properly. After checking your connectivity and web page loading, go to your mobile settings and search for channel settings. Then open the channel settings of your mobile phone and in channel settings, scroll down until you see the applications. In application, tap on the option that says TikTok. Here, the screen will appear like this. Now, from here, search if your application have the latest version available on your phone or not. If not, install the updates available, include bug fixes and improvements that could resolve issue with the shop. If none of the steps to resolve the issue, you may need to reach out TikTok customer support for further assistance. For this, open TikTok app, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on three bars in the upper right corner, then tap on settings. In settings, you have to tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down. Here you will find the option support. So tap on that option and now you are on help center. Tap on this option and let them know your problem and they will guide you thoroughly. That's how you can fix TikTok Shop product not available.